Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It is Sunday at Scale Models Midwest, and welcome back to the workbench. As always, I'm hoping you're having a great weekend. I just wanted to start off by showing off the Dave Blaney number 12 Mustang. I completed this in a previous video, and as I'm getting ready to watch the All-Star race tonight, just wanted to kind of go over a couple quick items, and got a little slideshow for you. But first, I wanted to start off with the Mustang and let you know that the same day that I posted my completed video, Chris over at HPI Guys Workshop completed his. So it's another sharp looking kit. Go check his out. His building style is really cool. I've adapted a lot of what he does in doing subassemblies first, then painting, then detail painting. And his kits turn out really sharp. Definitely go check out his channel. You will not be disappointed. So I'm gonna move that out of the way, and I'm gonna tell you about a car show I went to yesterday at the Wapello County Fairgrounds in Atomo, Iowa. They had the Wapello County Car Guys car show, and it also had a model car show and slot car show that was sponsored by Slot Rods Raceway. They're on Facebook. Get a chance to check out Slot Rods, do it. They had some sharp cars out there. I mean, the host of it, he had a ton of cars, and a lot of other people brought theirs. Had a junior entry as well that had a really sweet primered 40 Ford coupe that I really liked, and learned a lot about slot car racing from these guys, and just a great group of people to meet. It's great meeting new friends in the hobby, not just within car bottle building, but in slot cars. And I kind of made the joke, and I can understand why, when I sold a lot of cars at my garage sale about 4 years back, why people were just wanting the bodies, because they were just making slot cars out of them, and they didn't need anything else. They didn't need the chassis, didn't need any of the interior or the engines. So here I was with boxes of model kits that had no bodies and just parts, and thankfully enough, I had a guy that came by and took pity on me and bought all of that stuff from me. So that was pretty cool. But it's really cool to see what people do with their slot cars, and when you see the slideshow, you're going to see some of the kits there. Ultimately, there were 143 entrants, and there were probably a good half the table were slot cars, the other half obviously model cars, and it was really cool. I liked it. And I was invited down there by Daniel Burgess over at Model Cars. I'll put the link in the description for his YouTube channel. He's got a way cool shop card too of a Mustang GT350. Go check him out, see if you can get a shop card from him. And on his homepage, the banner bar has a picture of a Cobra with his son in it, and I actually saw that Cobra up close, and the thing was god-awful loud, as all Cobras are, but it just looked sweet. I haven't seen one that looked that nice in a long time. So, you know, Daniel, again, thank you very much for inviting me down. I had a great time. They obviously had a contest, and it was cool. Daniel won one. He had built from the AMT, I think it was Coca-Cola Ford van. He built that up, and it was kind of cool. You'll see in one of the pictures where it said like free kits inside, kind of like a candy van, free candy inside, and that was pretty cool. He also built a dirt track car of Camaro. That's one I liked, and I told him I voted for that one because I thought it was pretty cool. I saw him build that on his video, and he ended up winning with the Ford. A lot of other people won, really good paint and whatnot. And at the end of the day, they were giving out the awards. What was kind of funny is they kept calling for this guy named Ron. They were asking for Ron, and there was nobody there named Ron. But then eventually they're over at the table looking at this car, and they're like, "Are you Ron?" I'm like, "No, that's Ron Keselowski's Dodge Charger." And he goes, "Well, this is the winner for the club's choice." And I was blown away, because I'm like, I built this car. I forgot to put my name on it. I put my name on the other cards that I brought. I brought the yellow GTX. I brought the Shelby GT500 red Mustang that I did. I also did the 57 Ford Gasser. I brought that in. And I also brought my orange Crush Camaro in addition to this car. And this one won. So it was kind of cool. They, you know, gave me a little cup, and I thought that was neat. I've never won one before. I've never been to a model car show before. And in addition to the trophy, well, I ended up getting a model kit. So that was another cool deal. The model kit itself is this one right here. It is the open Corvette Roadster that you can build stock, drag, or I guess street race version. And like I said, I was just blown away. I thought it was really cool. So I'm definitely going to have to build that kit. But I want to let you know, if you've never done model car shows before, go with the intent to show off your kits, meet new people, forge some friendships, and get some tips. That's what I was planning on doing. And sometimes you'll benefit by maybe getting a mention, an award, a prize. And that's cool. If you don't, that's still cool, because you're at least going to a show and getting tips and getting some ideas. I took a lot of pictures, as you'll see, and I got a lot of ideas. So I'm going to go on ahead and shut up for now. I'm going to put the slideshow on behind this. And again, Daniel, thank you very much for inviting me down there. Yeah, I had a great time. My daughter had a great time looking at all the cars in the field. They were fantastic. Your friends were awesome. And I hope to see you guys again up in Altoona and in Perry with the car shows. Can't wait to see that yellow Mach 1 on the road. And yeah, that's just way cool. So everybody, I just want you to have a great rest of the weekend. Enjoy the slideshow. I'll make sure that each of the slides stick around for a few seconds, so you don't have to worry about hitting the pause button. But otherwise, enjoy it. We'll catch you in the next video.